this video, I try to find almost every monster in Forest. It took a very long time, but I still try to do it. So please sit back and relax and enjoy the video, because it's a long one. Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Forest.
I feel like it really nice.
Yo, perfect lobby?
I feel like it.
Go. Almost. Yo, where are they all? Yo! You're not closing this on me.
Huh? Would you whoop them? It's snowy.
Yo, it's snowy!
Top hat. I have the
Let's go.
I have the ducky.
Guys, you gonna come with me? What? Dougie. Alright, let's go. The Mimic! I gotta go see this! Guys, it's the Mimic, we gotta go check this out. I'm looking for all the monsters, so if I see the Mimic, that's at least one monster down. Potatoes! Potatoes! Where have you been? So first objective is done for looking for some more people.
Oh, there's more!
First objective is done.
Turn around!
Is that more?
We are not
Yo,
turning
more
around.
people! We could've waited! Nah.
Let's go.
It lost.
Nah.
It lost us over there.
It's Wendigo and Siren Head.
We run.
What is it?
But they're gonna be running right into the monster.
I need to see Wendigo and Oh shoot, I'm getting flashbacks.
Bro, that one running right into the monster.
I gotta see Wendigo and Siren Head. Those are like hard to find.
Yep, we're really good.
As soon as I see the Siren Head, I'm running. Full sprint. Oh shoot! He's right there. He's right there. I saw him. I saw him a little bit. Don't look back and just run. So I just found Siren Head, which is one off of the 5 monsters I need to find, which is great. Run! There's more people. Run! Wait, I gotta see this for real. Is he coming? Oh yeah, he's coming on. Oh, that's Bridgeworm! So at this moment, I found Bridgeworm, which is 2 off of the list of having to find for the monsters in Forest. So far, that's pretty good. Anyways, we'll catch you later.
I think so. I still hear him.
Is he behind us?
Of course.
Bridgeworm has to be behind us.
My hands are hurting so bad.
It's the Alaskan bullworm. Oh, they're dying, but it's coming closer. There it is. I see it. Run! Is he still coming? Run!
Alpha team! Okay, let's go! I'm the second commander! Come on! No. Alpha team! Come on! You're second in command! Don't close it!
Close it! Yeah! Keep it closed! Yeah! This is great!
Everyone, get in! Oh my god!
Alright, yeah, get in now.
Next job! You're my soldier! I made it! Everyone,
Boom!
Oh, bro,
Come up! Come up! No, you're gonna have to come up.
No!
Shoot!
Everybody evacuate! Evacuate! Yo, bring him up!
Oh shoot! Bro, track onto me! What was that jump scare? Alright, I found.
Spawn kill, go, spawn kill.
This is not a test. This is a national emergency.
Go!
Evacuate! Wait! Evacuate!
Who decided that? Oh shoot!
Open the
Ah, what the heck? Whoa! Yo, I just spawned outside that. Open the door! No! He's upstairs.
Coming down.
So far, Bridgeworm, I've died to twice. Ooh!
Where's the bridge worm?
Why does he keep doing that?
Okay.
Oh, why?
So fast.
Why am I so god?
Help me, guys. Oh my god. Go!
Yeah.
Go!
Shoot, he's in that back. Here's a siren. I'm about to eat this Chick-fil-A. I'm about to eat my Chick-fil-A. What? I'm about to eat my Chick-fil-A. I'm about to eat my
On the SCP map. Where's the SCP? Where's the SCP
Take him out! Take him out!
Come on! Run! Come on! Run away! Keep running! We just have to make it to a checkpoint! Evacuate! You know this is about to explode!
We're all going to.
Go, 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 go!
And this is how
What are we looking for? Bridge worm is in there!
When to go, when to go, when to go.
I heard him over
Wait,
there
isn't
about
that
like
the dog
10 minutes
Still
ago
in
now.
there.
Isn't the when
I
to
heard
go
him
a
over there
dog?
about 10 minutes ago, but
I don't know.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's like the deer.
wait, let me
Doesn't
describe
he
it.
have big shoulder
Let me
blades?
describe it exactly. Let me describe it exactly.
Cartoon dog.
No, that's a cartoon cat.
This keys. I heard
We're getting out of Mexico. We're getting out of Mexico.
Guys,
Oh,
follow
get out.
me. I am leading
Come
y'all
on.
to the Wendy.
We gotta get
It's
out.
always
Yellow's
good.
our leader. Yellow's Look at all those monkeys down there. Guys, you're following us! Run! Yo! We go fast as you!
Wait, guys.
I hear something! Oh! Oh, hey!
Someone gotta sacrifice
Get onto
themselves.
the trees!
I think that's Siren
protect
Head.
you!
Guys.
That matter of fact, that is Siren
Let me
Head.
give you a tip.
The trees won't protect you! What you ain't coming!
That's Siren Head.
I'm here to see.
Oh, Wendigo is over
I hear
here.
a ringing sound!
Now I've gotta look for
I
this.
just heard a ringing sound! Pew, pew, pew!
And I'm gonna guys, we have to be quiet to the Wendigo. We have to be quiet to the Wendigo.
Run! I shall make my voice heard! Go ahead!
What's behind
Go, go, go!
Yeah, think about it.
Don't think about what's behind you. Think about what's in front of you.
Everyone,
Just got shot, guys!
Don't panic.
It's coming!
Don't panic.
I hear something!
Guys, we're going the wrong way.
We're losing more.
We're going the wrong way. Oh, the mimic.
The mimic! The mimic! The mimic! The mimic! Was that the mimic?
What is that?
The mimic!
White monkey seems to be oh frick.
Oh shoot!
Go back up the hill! Everybody on this tree! On this tree over here! Get onto the trees!
Yes, boss.
They're trying to shoot Yellow! Come on!
Not again!
The ice agents are here! They're trying to find Yellow! The ice agents just got
Not
someone.
again!
Oh crap, I
Guys, everyone
fell.
this way.
I survived!
Attention!
I survived!
It's a sacrifice! Everybody run! Follow me!
The mimic!
We gotta sacrifice!
Nobody.
Come on!
Another mimic!
The white guy is running away from us.
Orange, how do you feel?
Yo, the white guy's running away from us.
Go, go, go! Wait for me!
Yo, he's behind you, bro.
No, I'm coming towards you!
Orange is our new leader since Yellow died, I think.
We just tricked him.
Who?
We have to
You're the
avenge
leader,
Yellow.
Orange! Guys! Orange in the
What was that crazy voice crack?
Orange is our new leader! Everybody bow down to him! Hey, no bows! Come on, everybody, let's go! You have to listen to him go.
How is your voice
What
not?
the heck is... Yeah, sure, I'll believe it when I see it.
He just comes
So
out of
watch the
nowhere.
Wendigo snatch us up out of nowhere, man. The Wendigo's gonna snatch us up out of nowhere.
Wait, weren't you the sacrifice?
And takes like one of us one by
Weren't you the
one.
sacrifice?
And he takes us by one until there's one left.
Yeah.
Nah, Orange is the sacrifice. Since Orange is the leader, he's also the
Leader
sacrifice.
is the sacrifice.
Yeah. What?
Uh-huh.
Hey, at least you get to command us while you're still alive.
Nuh-uh! Nuh-uh!
Yeah.
No, the one at the very, the one at the very end is the sacrifice since he's fallen behind.
Sacrifice. Keep going faster! Yeah, keep going! They're shooting! Catching up, bro! Hey, they're taking our jokes! Everyone, the people in front of us are taking Orange's jokes! They just say they're shooting! They're taking Orange's jokes, guys. We should bully them! Oh shoot, they're coming! Run! Oh! Ice agents are back! Yo, but in the very end, everybody be quiet, I just heard something!
Bro, it's so far. Wait, it's like so quietly. No, get away!
Yo, why do we go back? He said stop. Oh, heck no, hold on.
Why is everybody running?
It sounds like leaves brushing against each other. They're so gullible, bro.
Everybody freeze! You're gonna get whooped! Freeze! Where are you? Go, go, go! It's behind something! It's behind something! Everybody unfriend! Wendigo is shooting! Everybody! He has AK-47 1000! Run!
What is it? Oh, where's the Wendigo? I need to find him.
No, it sounds like my butt getting automatically
Bro,
forced.
get away!
Oh, heck no, I hear something.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm stuck. Okay.
Before I whoop you, bro.
My God, we made it to
Everybody get behind me right now.
Not these monkeys following us.
I'm tired.
Get away. My fault, man.
No, I'm not gonna rent it out. Hey, Javino!
Yeah, I have.
Every new person coming.
What is that?
Orange is our leader.
Orange. I was old.
Orange in the box with the sword and the Santa hat and the Santa lights is the leader.
I think you just came all the way back.
I see another person.
Person.
Look.
Yeah, you know.
That's another person.
Top of the head.
Please!
I'm so fucking
How about
tired.
everybody orange? Orange! I'm gonna have to make it more sharper. Hold on, let me make this sword more sharper. Hold on, yeah.
Guys,
come here. Yeah, I told you I'm all freeze. Yes, a 10-meter long belt.
I've been running for like 20 minutes.
I heard something. I heard something.
Pink farted.
Yo. Oh, I thought I heard something for a second. Yeah, I thought I heard something.
Did you guys just hear that barking spider?
The milk I caught up to y'all.
That must be a barking
That's not
spider.
the whole force, bro. You know there's a skybox.
Man, the floor must be resting, bro. The house must be resting down, bro.
Bro, at least the monster gets
Bro,
to sit down and
the
wait.
monster's benches must be crunching, bro.
Y'all, when we get to a house,
Walk
we will
faster.
Come on.
Yeah. Yo, I'm tweaking. I hear something. I heard something.
Walk faster.
Boy, y'all.
I'm
Yo, Gray's about to
sorry.
get the most best weapon of his life if he doesn't walk faster, bro. Yo, Orange,
I'm tired, Orange. Break, guys, break.
Orange, please, I don't want to do this anymore.
It's not me. No.
There's more people.
It wasn't me. It was that guy.
You're me. You're next, Yellow, you're next. You're white, you're next. Come here.
That wasn't me, dog. Hello.
Come here. Come here,
Yo, Ice is back. Ice is back, guys.
Okay, everybody can take a break. Everybody can take a break.
Everyone hide behind a tree.
Just, you know.
I'm good to go.
Guys, I see a person.
Yo, my sword getting a little bit dull. Everybody, please sharpen it. Yo, it's please sharpen it.
I see a person. Person with the Christmas outfit.
Oh, yeah.
I see a person.
Person. I told y'all to freeze.
Person with the Christmas lights. Where are
Simon
you?
says don't do the glitch or you're gonna get a big whooping. Yeah, like, come here. Get these here, brother. You ain't ready?
Bro, you knocked out freaking one SCP.
Come here.
Somebody's over there. He's stuck.
That's not a friend. That's not a friend.
Oh!
That's not a friend, bro.
Run!
Get on this tree!
It's not coming anymore.
Don't worry about
Wait.
my pet cupcake.
Where are they running from?
He's gone. He's gone.
Everybody come run down the
Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Where are they running from?
Don't even tell me twice to run. Oh.
I'm too good at this game for real. Yeah, you can't catch me, man. I'm too good at this game for real. You can't get me, man. Hey.
Oh, you're cooked. No, we lost yellow.
My leader. Oh, he's up the tree, guys.
No, he died.
Oh my God. Gee, sacrifice. We gotta
Run. Whenever. Zaki. You should get orange. Oh,
Fight you, bro.
Yo, you wanna go minute? Try me minute. Try me minute. Try me.
He's running from the
I'm making a run for it. I told you I would.
Come on, he's distracted. Go.
Boys, come on, let's go. Base is over here. Base is over
Distracted.
here.
Oh, he's coming.
Boys, we're finally
Come on, I
here.
ran all that just to run
Faces
back.
over here.
That's crazy.
Let's move.
Everybody's getting slaughtered right now.
By what though?
Either you're coming or you're going.
Thing. It's a
Oh,
monster.
well, that's the guy who killed me.
No, it's a zombie. This is World
mimic.
War Z zombies now.
I remember you too, White.
We're getting massacred over there, bro.
Oh,
I got back
Come on,
again.
come on.
Not before I do. Not before I do. Get over here.
This way's better.
come here.
Guys, base is down here. Base is
I'm
down
the
here.
Let me sharpen my sword real quick.
Space Station. The Grand Fleet of Monkeys has made
Wait,
it
let's go.
back.
Let's get away from him. Let's get away from him.
Well, I was sacrificed twice down this week.
Run from him.
Go back. It's chasing me the whole entire expedition. Head back.
What's
We'll
that?
have a meeting.
Oh, we made it.
What's shaking
We're
me?
the Grand
Yeah.
Fleet of Monkeys.
We made it.
I'm the leader and I survived.
Wait, why did I survive?
What is it?
I didn't die once.
I think I see you, bro.
Yeah, right.
Wait, guys, this is icy. You they got dragged in me.
Everybody retreat. Everybody retreat.
I was up good. I was a W.
Let's go back.
This guy.
Are we really going back?
No, we're going back for them. We're going back for the lost men.
Are we really going
Trying
back?
to correct me.
Is that
No, we're going back for them. I'm correcting you as much as I want.
sure that this game is just
I-
follow me to go.
Oh, he's still following me. Oh, what the heck. Alright. I think I'm gonna get off now. Alright. Whew. 30 people. Alright. Thanks for watching the video, but like, I only found 3, but out of the 5, still, I did it. Anyways, I'm gonna try to go do like another video later. Anyways, bye-bye.